Yo, what's up, guys? It's Coastin coming back with another video. I know it's been a little minute, but I just got this package delivered the other day. The reason I want to record this is just because I feel like not too many people know about this company. So I figured why not just make a video on it and then just shed some light on it and just put you guys on game for those of you who don't know. But yeah, like I said, this company TORQEN makes basically their version of art pipes. It's not really anything too difficult to make. At the end of the day, it's just a test pipe with a HELMZ resonator on the side. If you know how to make exhaust components, you can make anything, bro. It doesn't matter. So let's see what's in here. Oh shit, cool. The packaging was cool. So one thing I'll say is I bought this on a Friday, like afternoon. And keep in mind, like I said, this company's in the UK, right? So I bought this on a Friday. It was afternoon here and I'm in LA. So basically these guys delivered on a Monday because it was too late when I ordered. They were basically closing that hour and they shipped it out Monday. I received this, I want to say Wednesday afternoon. Fast as hell. I was really happy. So these guys hook you up with some stickers. This looks like Z1 Motorsports stickers. This shit's dope, you know what I mean? It's cool. I'm gonna show you guys what's inside, how the welds look and everything. This is legit a raw reaction, so bear with me. They're packaged good, you know what I mean? They're not going anywhere. I've had multiple pairs of art pipes, so I'd be someone who could actually give you a good, what is it? I guess my opinion is pretty solid. This is literally an art pipe. Damn, these are some good welds. Check that out. That's back purge right there. Those are dimes. So honestly, yeah, this is very nice. It looks just like the art pipe. They give you full hardware, brand new hardware. And here's the other one. So this is the passenger side because the resonator's right in the middle. It's in the inside. And then this is the driver one. So I guess I'll clean this up right now. My girl can pause this real quick. All right, so I just wanted to get everything laid out just to show you guys what comes in the box. So you get your hardware, you get your gaskets. So this is the one for the header to the cat, the top one. Then you get the bottom one right here, which is cool. You get all the bolts, you get the nuts, and it looks like you also get an extension for the O2 defouler, which is pretty dope because all this stuff here is honestly like $100 worth, to be honest with you. So the fact that they include this, it's dope. Not all companies do that. Obviously there's the stickers. That's the company. I am not sponsored. These guys didn't give me no hookups or anything. I did reach out to them, but they didn't want to work with me. So this is just paid out of my own pocket, but I'm just trying to shed light on the company because these pipes are worth, they're honestly cheaper than Motordyne Art Pipes. I believe Motordyne Art Pipes right now are selling for $950 on their website. And these right here are priced. So the pricing is a little bit different because they're from the UK, so they go by pounds opposed to the United States dollar. So you just got to do your, what is it, the currency exchange. But just to cut it short, I ended up paying shipped to my house $600. So I got brand new, basically Motordyne Art Pipes for $600, but they're not Motordyne. It doesn't matter because it's the same thing, consists of the same exact thing. And like I said, I'm going to show you guys the welds. Like, let me back up a little bit. So this is the HELMZ. This is what cuts the rasp on our VQs. I'm sure most of you guys know, but for those of you who don't, now you guys do. I'm just trying to show you guys. Look at those welds. Those are dimes right there. They're beautifully stacked. It's 304 stainless steel. They're back purged, just like Motordyne does. There's literally no difference. The only difference is Motordyne has it over here lasered saying Motordyne, and this is TORQEN. So that's literally the only difference. If anything, I prefer these. Reason being, Motordyne is 3-inch up here, and then it steps down to 2.5. This is full 3-inch. There is no stepping. I'm just trying to show you guys more of the quality. Because like I said, I looked here on YouTube, there's nothing on this. I mean, I know there's other people out there who make these. There's Seaworks Design, aka TIG Welding Creations. I know, I'm not sure if he's making them. I think he's just selling them, to be honest with you. I know he's a fabricator, but I don't think he's fabricating those, to be honest with you. But those you have to pre-order and wait for them. These I literally ordered in 1 day, and I got them within 4 days. You can't beat that. Plus, I got hardware. So, TORQEN for the win, if you ask me honestly. I'm not sponsored by them. That's why I got to keep throwing it out there. I'm not sponsored. So I got the pipes laid down upside down. Laid down upside down. That just sounds funny. But I got them right here, right? I just wanted to show now the bottom piece. I'm going to just shut up and just show off the quality. If I was really a YouTuber, I'd be doing all this B-roll stuff, but I don't really know how to do that. I really suck at editing. Maybe one of my homeboys could help me out, but I'm going to just shut up and show you guys the welds. I just checked with my caliper the size of the pipe, and I actually made a mistake. So on an earlier clip, I said that the pipe was actually 3-inch, the test pipe. That's actually a mistake. It's not 3-inch. It's actually 2.5. The only difference is that these aren't stepped. So the difference, what stepped means is, if you see Motordyne, they're thick and then they slim down a little bit and then they thicken up again at the bottom. I'm not too sure why Motordyne does that, but that's how they design theirs. That's the difference. Yo, I love when I see welds like that. The colorful, the blue, the gold, and the purple. That shit's my favorite. I just needed to correct myself because I know some of you internet warriors out there are gonna go start typing and tell me all sorts of things. So I just had to correct it real quick. I had to check too, you know. I'm not sponsored by these guys. Like I said, there's no videos on these dudes on YouTube, so I'm probably the first guy that's shedding light on them. Another thing, so I actually found out about the TORQEN HELMZ, I want to say a couple months ago. Realistically, I want to say maybe 3 months ago. I saw them first pop up on Concept Z. I didn't buy them off of Concept Z. Reason being is because they're more expensive on their website. TORQEN actually tried having me go through them, but they're more expensive. You're actually better off just going straight through TORQEN's website. So there's a tip right there. You know what I mean? I'm just trying to help you guys out. I'm not stingy. I'm just trying to plug everyone. You know what I mean? I'm trying to be cool. So for those of you guys who want some art pipes but can't afford the real ones, I'm not trying to say these aren't real. Obviously, this is real. Like, I'm touching it. This is just obviously the same quality, if not better. I just showed you guys. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know what else to say. I'm an aerospace QC inspector, if that means anything. You know, I'm certified. I'm qualified. I know what I'm speaking. So I'm just trying to hook you guys up. For those of you who have been looking for something like this, tap in with TORQEN. Honestly, these guys are the underdogs.